Caught up again? Shit. Okay, good. Great. Oh, good. Excellent. This is the right tack to be on, but wind abruptly dies away, so we're probably just going to do that right away again. But I just want to put a little distance between me and... See if I got the wind. What? If I'm riding the wind, I'm going like roughly parallel to the bridge. That's not where what I want to be doing. I want to be going under the darn thing. Right, and then come back at the other tack. This is fun to use, man. Isn't this great? Isn't this fucking great? That's a big bridge up there. It looks a lot bigger when you're under it than when you're on it. It does. Dig it, look at it, man. Isn't that powerful? Sweet. We're almost there. Well, now we're in the Pacific. I think technically we're still in the Bay. We're not going to be out here for long. We'll be experiencing that same thing once again, but we'll be going back in. Now, who's going up behind us? He's got complete control. We're not worried about a cigarette boat. But we are probably going to tack. Sometime. Paparazzi. All right. Well, let's keep doing this for a little ways. Nice. Looks kind of different when you're looking at it from this side. The bridge does. And a helicopter. They're after us. I'll turn left. That'll lose them. All right. How about now? Okay. Ready, Matt? Ready. Hardly. Go, go, go. Be on the evening news. John, clear. All right, that's good. This is the week tack. Tighten her up, please. You fool! You blackguard! You idiot! Faster!
Hey,
what the fuck is wrong with you?
This is the fucking crew you're talking to here.
I've heard about
we're
these
hold off a little
abusive
bit.
captains.
Crew's going on strike.
We got this guy coming up behind us, so we're just going to wait a little bit. But I felt like yelling at him.
Employment abuse.
That was good.
Where's my attorney?
I read...
His early acting days prepared him for
Exactly.
this role.
Exactly, and I read in a couple of books that is the way that the way that the British Admiralty would talk to just anybody in any situation, you know, during a battle or any kind of a, you know, heavy wind situation or anything like that, would be a lot of "you fucking idiot," you know, "you stupid moron, can't you do anything right?" And that's supposed to make the men work harder.
Talk like a sailor.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Fucker. Well, see, we're headed towards the big white rocks, and so we need to go much further this way. We're trying to get pushed forward to get that base course set. It's not really as fast a way to sail as what got us out here. So I think I'm going to hang loose for a while and see where the wind brings us here. Because it's not really. Yeah.
I can't believe you're calling this the sun.
Yeah, we're out in the bright sun, right?
Horizon in the distant sky, steady line, big smile for a million miles. Long cry of of evening, I'm no longer blue. There's a lamp if you've lost your way. Stars to guide, soft fields to lay, safe harbor from a restless sea, deep pools of silence calming me, so I can be when whispers